Hi guys, my name is Parth Bajaj. I am a home chef and we'll wait 2 minutes for some people to join. Till then I'll just tell you more about myself. So I am a home baker and I try to make all kinds of cakes, cupcakes, cookies and even macarons. So today I have come live with Amul and I'll be teaching you how to make truffles. So truffles are basically chocolate balls जिसको you can top with cocoa powder or top with some sprinkles. सो कस्टमाइज करने के लिए बहुत सारी वैरायटी है. तो आज हम लोग यही सीखने वाले हैं. इट इज़ अ 2-3 इंग्रेडिएंट रेसिपी. बहुत ज़्यादा इजी है, कोई भी बना सकता है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो हियर आई हैव सम चॉकलेट. दिस इज 225 ग्राम्स ऑफ चॉकलेट. सो अगर आप 1 kg का अगर बार खरीदते हो, बड़ा कंपाउंड और समथिंग, यू कैन जस्ट टेक 1/4 ऑफ दैट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. सो 225 से 230 ग्राम्स तक कहीं भी टेक सम चॉकलेट एंड चॉप इट अप थोड़ा स्मॉल पीसेज में. And then you have to take 2/3 cup of fresh cream, and I'm using Amul fresh cream as well as 1 tablespoon of Amul butter. This is completely optional. Butter is not compulsory. But अगर आपको आपके truffles पे एकदम शाइन लाना है ऊपर से, तो आप लोग butter use कर सकते हो. I don't use that because these 2 ingredients are enough for me, but that's an optional step. So for starting, just take 2/3 cup of Amul fresh cream. This is 1/3 cup का measurement. सो दिस इज़ नॉट अ टी कप जो आप लोग घर पे चाय पीते हो, ये वो कप नहीं है. दिस इज़ अ बेकिंग कप जिसमें मेजरमेंट करते हैं बेकिंग वाले हम लोग जब बेक करते हैं. सो टेक 1/3 कप इंटू 2, सो दैट विल बी 2/3 कप्स. सो हियर आई हैव रूम टेम्परेचर फ्रेश क्रीम जिसको मैं डबल बॉयलर की मदद से थोड़ा सा हीट कर लूँगा. और आप लोग ये प्रोसेस पूरा माइक्रोवेव में भी कर सकते हो, सो दैट विल बी ईजियर. सबसे पहले एक सॉस पैन में, एक मतलब डीप सॉस पैन में हाफ पानी भर लेना, 1/3 या हाफ तक, एंड देन बॉईल द वाटर. ऑल्सो यू कैन टैग मी इन योर ट्रफल्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक एंड आई बी हैप्पी टू शेयर. आपको कुछ भी डाउट्स रहे, यू कैन कम एंड आस्क मी. दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल, सो आई एम वेरी श्योर आपको डाउट्स नहीं रहेंगे. सो जैसे ही आपका पानी थोड़ा सा बॉईल होने लग जाए, प्लेस योर क्रीम ओवर द वाटर. This is known as a double boiler setup, which is a very common process जो काफ़ी चीज़ों में यूज़ होती है to melt chocolate, butter, warm some cream and other things. And here I am using good quality of dark chocolate. You can also use some other quality of chocolate like milk chocolate if you want sweeter truffles. But I like my truffles plain and simple. I also have a whisk over here जिसको यूज़ करने वाला हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा क्रीम को स्टर करने के लिए. So somebody is asking me a question that they are not getting compounds, which is totally fine. You can also use Amul dark chocolate. I might have it in my fridge. You can also use this chocolate, but I think that ये chocolate से बहुत strong taste आ जाता है. So some people who don't like dark chocolate will not like this. So इसकी और varieties भी आती है. You can use the less cocoa version. This has 55% of cocoa. So if you want a sweeter version, just go with a version which has less of amount of cocoa than that. So ये अगर आप माइक्रोवेव में कर रहे हो प्रोसेस, तो जस्ट वार्म योर क्रीम फॉर 1 to 1.5 minutes and then pour it over your chocolate, or just pour your chocolate onto the cream and let it sit for 1 minute ताकि सब कुछ अच्छे से मेल्ट हो जाए. Are there any questions? कुछ questions है इसमें? Okay. So if you have any other questions, you can feel free to message me on Instagram or my YouTube. So now the cream has started to come to a boil and I'm adding the chocolate to this cream. You can also take it out of the heat from this moment and let it sit at room temperature. But since I'm using compound, it takes a little more longer to melt the chocolate. If you are using actual good quality of chocolate, that will melt very quickly, especially in the summer season. So if you forgot the measurements, I like to mention those again. 225 grams of chocolate and 2/3 cups of fresh cream. So this is the cup which I'm using. This is 1/3 cup. So take twice of this, which will be 2/3 cups of fresh cream. Don't use whipping cream, which is different. This is fresh cream. So a lot of people are asking me to repeat the process. जब तक ये गर्म हो रहा है मैं आपको एक बार वापस समझा देता हूँ. Basically we are trying to make a ganache. Ganache is like a filling or a frosting which is used in cakes, in desserts and other things. So हम लोगों ने chocolate लिया है और हम लोगों ने लिया है cream, which is Amul cream. You can take any other cream as well. And we are basically melting both of these together, and then we'll keep it in the fridge to set for around 1 to 1.5 hours. After that is set, we are going to shape these into circle balls, which will be our truffles. It's as simple as that. If you want it sweeter, you can add some icing sugar to this, but I wouldn't recommend it like that. Instead of that, go for a sweeter chocolate. So like I said, I'm using compound and this chocolate is taking a lot of time to melt. But I'll just explain the process to you. I had previously melted this chocolate and it looks like this. So after your chocolate is completely melted, just keep it in the fridge for around 1 to 1.5 hours. I knew that this will take time, so I prepared some truffles in advance. So let's skip this step for now and move on to the next step, which is the part after you freeze your chocolate. So हम लोगों ने इसको 1.5 घंटे पहले फ्रिज में रखा था, and now as you can see it has set almost. थोड़ा कड़क हो चुका है. It's not sticking to my hands. At that moment, just take a tablespoon. You can also take a big spoon, normal spoon, and scoop out some of the chocolate from this, just like this, and put it on a baking sheet. जो non-stick sheet होती है, it can be parchment paper or a butter paper, but make sure it's non-stick. And then put some on the sheet, just like this. Tablespoons of chocolate, as simple as that. You don't have to be very accurate at this thing because हम लोग घर पे बना रहे हैं, लॉकडाउन चालू है, and a lot of people who didn't cook earlier are now interested in cooking. So I just want कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग ये बनाएं और मज़ा लें इस चीज़ का. So it is very simple. It's just 2 ingredients. You can also add a tablespoon of butter, like I said, or any other flavorings if you want. After that is done, all you have to do is take this and keep it in the refrigerator for 1.5 hours. You can also freeze this for 15 to 20 minutes. And these are the chocolate balls which I had prepared earlier, and these have hardened up a little. So when your balls are ready, this is after freezing them. I have kept them for more 15 to 20 minutes. So basically, I'll repeat the process once again. We took chocolate and cream, 225 grams of chocolate and 2/3 cups of fresh cream, and then we melted it over double boiler or in a microwave. After that cools down, keep it in the fridge for 1.5 hours, and then take that mixture out and scoop out some cubes or circles from the ganache, and then keep that tray right into the fridge for 15 to 20 more minutes. And after that, those 15 minutes are done. Take your toppings. I am using cocoa powder and some chocolate sprinkles, and then dust some of cocoa powder on your hands, just so that the chocolate doesn't stick to your hand. This is like a pro tip because this is very sticky. So carefully dust chocolate, and then take those truffles and just give them a nice round shape, just like this. बेसिकली जैसे आप लोग रोटी बनाते हो, आटा लगाते हो, वैसे ही इसको आपको सर्कल शेप देना है, स्पीयर बनाना है इसका. दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल. और आप देख रहे हो हमारे ट्रफल्स ऑलमोस्ट रेडी भी हो चुके हैं. Just like this. All dust your fingers again with some cocoa powder if required. You don't have to be perfect with this because ये बहुत टेस्टी होता है ऐसे ही और बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. इसको हम लोग और भी तरह से डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. I'll show you how. So एक बार जब थोड़े आपके स्पीयर्स बन जाते हैं, after that just place them in the cocoa powder like this and just swirl it around. And look how pretty it is looking now. This is the final truffle which you can keep in the fridge and then bring it to room temperature to eat. And the other way of decorating it is just, you know, dropping it in some sprinkles and then just doing the same thing. Just swirl it around like this. So here you have it, some chocolate truffles made from scratch at home using just 2 ingredients, that is cream and chocolate. For any doubts you can message me or talk to me and watch this video again if required. So I'll just show you by a taste test how it looks like. As you can see from the inside, it's perfectly fudgy, perfectly gooey. You can keep it in the fridge if you want a firmer ball, or else eat it at room temperature, which tastes best according to me. So guys, that was all for today's live. Thank you so much for joining, and let me eat these truffles because it's really tasty. Thank you so much for joining. Tata, bye.